Hi. Stop making noise. I want to make video. I'm on live video. I'm streaming live. Good evening. Good night. Good morning.
Let me check your eyes.
So leave me alone. Check my eyes.
Go chop fufu.
I eat fufu now. Hey, I ate fufu. Don't worry.
6 people will not be. It's not be bad. If I go, it's not making 5.
Where are you going to? Oh, that touch. That thing, Joe.
He's in this place now.
Do you know what you're wearing? Go and shake the meat on fire.
Let me give better. I'll be happy.
Jehovah, you like I want to see the children now. You want a balance here.
Boy, call him on what again. Baby girl. Yeah, Bio.
Clear that table.
So
nobody is watching. Up that touch. At this thing.
Baby boys are more annoying than girls. Baby, I'm a tear. Baby boy, I cute.
Welcome to my live streaming. I'm waiting. Welcome on board. Let's sing to our God. Quiet, you know.
Sure, boy made it rhyme. Welcome on board. Let's sing to our God. The rhyme, the rhythm. Hey, plug that in. Can I take meat?
No.
Ma? Mommy, no.
No. Just eat first. I'm coming. I don't trust you guys.
As you move, the one you check the soup.
Respect yourself this night. This should be what to you